Oi, excuse me, mate. Is that roadworthy? I think that is a bit dodgy. Why did you swear, Casey? God, now you're... Casey, I'm serious. It's still recording. I'm not doing a second video. Can't believe it. Weight reduction, bro. I know what he's looking for. Bo, come on, off the road. How's those brakes?
Yeah,
excuse me, mate, is this roadworthy?
Yeah.
License and registration?
There.
Yeah, that'll do. You pass.
Don't zoom in on that.
Alright. Let's have a look at Neumann. I've had 2 people going on it steadily for all day, pretty much. Yeah, we cut a bit out yesterday, but they've gone the whole hog. There's still more to cut out, but I mean, just worked a way around it. And let's look how pretty that is. Excellent, excellent. Oh, it's the true Flintstones edition. The inner there looks like it's had a bit of work. Both dog legs out. Good old expander foam everywhere. Looks like that needs all triple layers there. Going all the way around. This engine lid's good. The deck lid's good. Even the cover strip's good. But we've got to cut. Looks like that's been repaired in the past, but it's rusting again. So yeah, so Andrew was loosening the headliner off. We like to pull the headliner out in one piece. It's easier for the trimmer. Use it as a pattern or whatever, and it's got the bows in it still. But yeah, Andrew dropped the headliner, and this bad boy dropped down. So that is pretty sure it's from a brown. Oh, back again. I don't know when that was, what happened there, but yeah. Yeah, so this is what dropped out of the headliner. So that gave Andrew a bit of a fright, because now we're wondering where the rest of the snake is. It could be up. The snake could be in the side parts there. It could be a brown snake ready to strike as soon as we pull that headliner off. Ready to strike, but still runs all right. So, you know, technically you could drive it around like this for weight reduction. But yeah, that's where we got to. So we know we've got to put a new nose on. We need complete dog legs, including the inner steps, the whole bit. See, that's all been worked on. We need to replace most of that floor. The front part's all right, so we'll see about that. Back floor's good. How did that survive?
Back corner.
Oh yeah, that's part of the V pillars. More like it's like air conditioning, just sitting in the back there. So yeah. So what do you reckon? Worth it? Of course it's worth it. It's someone's baby, and it's a low light, which, you know, they're worth more than splitties. So, well, to me they are. So yeah, worth it, but it's just going to take a bit to get there. Got to make it look ugly first before you make it look pretty. So yeah, that's where we got to. It wasn't worth stripping any paint off any of the nose, because it definitely needs a new one. So we're just going to cut the whole thing off and it'll be done. So yeah, lots of work in front of us. Roof and gutters is good. Like I'm looking at positives here, and basically this one, all the rot's in the bottom. thanks to the winter roads in the UK.